This is Mike Bocek with 217dent.com. We have a 2015 Dodge Ram. Has a dent, small dent right here in the bedside. It looks like a small dent in the video, but it is not as small as it looks because it stands out pretty well. And if you have tried to send pictures, tried to take pictures or video of a dent in your vehicle, you know what I'm talking about. Very difficult to see dents and damage in the video or images. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get started on it. I'm going to do a glue pull process on this, and we should be done here in about 5 minutes, maybe 10. And positioning the camera where you guys get a nice shot. I got my coreless glue gun. I'm using tab weld, and I'm going to use just a small typical PDR glue pulling plug. What I did was I placed the plug right there in the center of the dent into the shadow area. That's why my light is back there, so I can see the details of the dent. I have a slide hammer here. I'm going to go ahead and pull that, and I hope I don't pull paint. Now I'm going to take some of my release agent, remove the glue, and now you can see we have a high spot.
Service line 1, please. Service line 1.
I have here is a hammer, a special hammer, the non-marring blending tip on one side, and non-marring tap downs, hard plastic. And I'm also going to be using these tap downs, very sharp, and my paddle. And the camera is right in my way. All right, 4 minutes and 10 seconds into the repair, and we are finished up. You wonder why paintless dent removal isn't cheap? This is an art, and this takes years to learn. What you just saw me do in 4 minutes, body shop expense would have probably been about $2,500 to do this bedside, and do it properly, maybe about $3,500. If you want your dent filled in with Bondo, you can go to the cheap body shop. However, paintless dent removal, whenever dealing with small dings and dents, is always in your best interest. Now choose carefully who you use, because there are a variety of levels of technicians. And these dents should come out flawlessly. Paintless dent removal. This is Mike Bocek with 217dent.com, and I service Springfield, Illinois, Decatur, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, Bloomington, Illinois, and I will come to you and I will give you a free estimate, and I will do your repairs right there on the spot. We are a mobile service in Central Illinois.